300 grams of high gluten General Mills All Trumps flour, 5 grams of yeast, 6 grams of sugar, and 6 grams of salt, 175 grams of water, 5 grams of oil. Fresh mozzarella, regular mozzarella, pizza sauce, my favorite cheese, Pecorino Romano, Alright, after like 7-8 minutes in the oven at 550, this is what the pizza looks like. It looks delicious, it looks amazing. Unbelievable. Let's check the crust. Oh yeah. Oh, you hear that? Ah, the crunchy crunch. That's right. This pizza looks amazing, guys. Let's check the bottom. Wow, perfectly cooked. Oh man, it's just such crunch. Perfectly cooked bottom. There's only one thing left to do. Let's try this pizza out. The slice, it looks beautiful. Look at this slice. It looks amazing. It's from the side. It's from the bottom. Wow. This is a great slice of pizza. Unbelievable. Amazing pizza. Look at the bubbles. Beautiful. Look at that. The cheese, the blend. I put 3 cheese in there. I put pecorino romano. I put fresh mozz and the regular mozz. It blends perfect with all Trump's high gluten flour. You get that when you use that flour, you get the real pizzeria taste, because that's the flour that the pizzerias use. You can't get this kind of pizza with all-purpose or bread flour. You just can't. It's not gonna taste like this. They can make it look like this pizza on YouTube with heavy editing, but it's not gonna taste like this. Trust me, it has to be high gluten Bouncer or General Mills All Trump's flour. Any other flour, it's gonna taste like garbage. Unbelievable pizza. I'm gonna keep eating this pizza. You guys follow this recipe, make yourself a pizza like this at home. It feeds 4. Thank you guys for watching Parks and Pizza, and I'll see you in the next video.